Tonight, the Ohio Department of Health reporting its first pediatric flu death of the season. Officials say a teenager from Allen County died last week, and flu cases are still on the rise. Doctors say this is the most flu activity they've seen since the pandemic, with more than 380 people being hospitalized right here in Northeast Ohio. Bryant McCray reports.
We're seeing a lot more hospitalizations. We're seeing sicker patients requiring, advanced care in terms of influenza-associated pneumonia.
Somebody write a doctor's note. According to the Ohio Department of Health, the state has seen a nearly 26% increase in people going to the hospital due to the flu. That's compared to this time last week. Dr. Abhijit Dugal with Cleveland Clinic says this season's spike in flu cases was to be expected as the virus has a tendency to go in waves.
Why are we seeing it so severe compared to the years past?
Yes, so I think this year the prevalent sub-variety that we're seeing is H1N1. We've known that H1N1 is associated with more severe forms of the disease. Usually what happens is that when you do have these viral subgroups that come back, your immunity is not as good, and then you tend to develop more severe infections.
Dr. Dugal says these are the flu symptoms to keep your eye on.
If you're having real major problems with breathing, right? Like if you can't really catch your breath, if you feel that you're not able to do things that you're usually able to do and you're getting short of breath really quickly, those would be all signs that you need to go see your physician or need to be seen by someone to make sure that you're not developing influenza pneumonia.
Medical experts advising the best way to avoid these nasty symptoms starts with a V and ends with an E. You guessed it, a flu vaccine.
We know for a fact that people who are vaccinated, the rates of both infections and severity of infections is lower in those individuals.
That was Bryant McCray reporting. Doctors say it is never too late to get vaccinated. They also recommend two simple but effective remedies: washing your hands often and staying home when you're feeling sick.